Hey everyone, it's me. And today we're diving deep into an exciting new feature from YouTube that's set to shake up how we all use the platform. YouTube's Shorts camera now has generative AI effects that turn your selfies, doodles, and ideas into fun and creative visuals instantly. You heard that right. We're talking about the power of artificial intelligence in the palm of your hand with just a tap, a swipe, or even a scribble. Let's explore what this means for creators, viewers, and all of us in between. So buckle up, get ready, because this is one ride you don't want to miss. Imagine being able to bring your ideas to life with just a few taps on your phone screen. Well, now you can with YouTube's brand new suite of generative AI effects available in the YouTube Studio mobile app. These effects are more than just a fun add-on to your videos. They are tools for creators to tell better stories, to educate, to entertain, and even to inspire. Let's take a closer look at each effect and see how they can supercharge your creative process. First up, we have Background Remover, which, as the name suggests, removes the background from your videos. This isn't your run-of-the-mill transparent background that you might be used to. No, this is AI-powered magic that can handle complex scenarios like multiple people, pets, and even tricky backgrounds with ease. Say goodbye to the days of complicated green screens and hello to a world where you can place yourself anywhere, anytime. Next, let's talk about Fill the Frame, an effect that expands your video's frame using AI to fill the empty spaces with relevant and coherent imagery. This is perfect for those times when you have a great shot, but need to fill the frame, or if you're working with a limited field of view. With Fill the Frame, you can expand your creative horizons without having to physically change your camera angles. Now, let's shift our attention to green screen. This effect allows you to place yourself or any object into a different environment. Whether you want to be a part of a bustling cityscape or a serene natural landscape, green screen makes it possible with just a few taps. It's like having a portable movie studio in your pocket, opening up endless possibilities for your videos. Then we have Object Eraser, a handy tool for removing unwanted objects from your video. Say you've got a shot of a beautiful sunset, but there's a pesky bird or a leaf that keeps getting in the way. With Object Eraser, you can remove these distractions effortlessly, allowing the viewer's focus to remain on the elements you want to highlight. Our next effect is Text-to-Video. As its name implies, this effect transforms your text prompts into captivating visuals. Want to show a quick montage of a dog playing in the park? Type it in and watch as AI turns your words into a mini cinematic masterpiece right before your eyes. Now let's dive into Doodle to Video. With this effect, your sketches come to life. Imagine turning a rough doodle into a polished animation. This effect is not only fun, but it's also a fantastic way to express your creativity without having to be an expert artist. And finally, we have Self-to-Avatar, an effect that creates an avatar based on your selfie. This is more than just a cartoon version of yourself. It's an opportunity to create a unique, animated character that you can use across your videos. Think of it as your own personalized animated alter ego. Now that we've covered all the individual effects, let's see how they work together to create an even more powerful tool for creators. For example, say you want to create a video with a twist. You could start by recording a short clip of yourself telling a story. Then, using the Background Remover effect, you could place yourself in a different setting to match your narrative. Perhaps you recounting a childhood memory, and you want to transport yourself back to the setting of that time. With Background Remover and green screen, you can make that transition seamlessly. Once you've established your new surroundings, you could use Text-to-Video to illustrate key moments or emotions in your story. To add a touch of whimsy, you could even use Doodle to Video to animate a character that represents your emotions or thoughts. Finally, if there's any unwanted distractions in your video, you can use the object eraser to remove them, ensuring that your audience remains focused on the elements you want to highlight. And just like that, you've created a video that's both deeply personal and visually stunning. We know that creators are always looking for ways to maximize their reach and engagement. And we're excited to offer these generative AI effects as another tool in their toolkit. But it's important to remember that while these effects are incredibly powerful, they're best used when applied thoughtfully. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using generative AI effects. First and foremost, aim for coherence. While it's tempting to use multiple effects in one video, it's important to strike a balance so that the overall video remains cohesive. Ask yourself whether each effect is contributing to the overall message or style of the video. Additionally, ensure that the generated visuals align with the context of your video. For instance, if you're creating a video about a serious topic, using overly stylized or unrealistic visuals might detract from your message. Another important consideration is realism. Generative AI can create highly realistic images and videos, which can be incredibly powerful. However, it's important to be mindful of the potential for misuse, such as creating deepfakes or spreading misinformation. We encourage creators to use these effects responsibly and ethically, being transparent when using AI-generated content and avoiding the creation of harmful or misleading content. Finally, don't forget the importance of originality. While these effects are designed to be versatile and adaptable, they're meant to complement your creativity, not replace it. Aim to use the effects in a way that enhances your unique voice and style. Experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of what's possible. But always remember that your audience is there for you. So use these tools in a way that feels authentic to you and your brand. As with any new technology, it's essential to approach these tools with a combination of creativity, responsibility, and a dash of fun. If you feel like these effects might be infringing on any copyright laws, please refrain from using them. And as always, we encourage you to stay informed about our community, guidelines, and policies regarding the use of generative AI. We have provided additional resources for you to review. We hope that these new generative AI effects will empower creators to tell richer, more engaging stories and connect with their audiences in new and exciting ways. What are you waiting for? Head over to the YouTube Studio mobile app and start exploring the endless creative possibilities. And don't forget to share your feedback with us. Your input helps us improve and make these tools even more valuable for you. Together, we're reshaping the future of creativity on YouTube, and we're thrilled to have you along for the ride. Thank you for watching.